I'm Dentist Rima from Guru Nanda team. Are braces fueling gum recession? Let's talk about this. Braces do not directly cause gum recession, but they can contribute to it under certain conditions. Understanding the causes, risk, and prevention strategies is key to maintaining healthy gums throughout orthodontic treatment. So, what are the causes of gum recession with braces? Braces apply controlled pressure to shift teeth, but if teeth are moved too far outside their natural bone support, it can lead to gum recession. Braces create more surfaces for plaque and bacteria to accumulate, making oral hygiene more challenging. If plaque is not removed, it can cause gum inflammation, that is gingivitis, which can further lead to periodontitis, which lead to gum recession. And many patients brush harder when they have braces, thinking it helps remove plaque more effectively. However, using excessive force can wear down gum tissue. And how to prevent gum recession while wearing braces? Practice excellent oral hygiene. Brush at least twice a day with a soft bristle toothbrush. Use fluoride toothpaste and an electric toothbrush for better plaque removal. Floss daily or use a water flosser to clean around brackets and wires. Regular dental checkups and cleanings, and avoid scrubbing aggressively. Use gentle circular motions along the gum line. A soft bristle or orthodontic toothbrush is best to prevent gum irritation. And if you notice your gums pulling back or any increased tooth sensitivity, so immediately inform your orthodontist. In severe cases of gum recession, a gum graft may be recommended to restore lost tissue. A periodontist can evaluate whether the gum graft is necessary before, during, or after orthodontic treatment. The key to preventing gum problems during orthodontic treatment is maintaining excellent oral hygiene, seeing your dentist regularly, and communicating with your orthodontist about any concern. If you notice any signs of gum recession, address it early to prevent further complication. Hope you like this video. Thank you.